everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 6 for High Court and Civil Court. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. This court considered various tests to be applied in respect of transfer of suits under sections 24 and 25 of the code and in para 23 observed thus. Reading sections 24 and 25 of the code together and keeping in view various judicial pronouncements, certain broad proposition as to what may constitute a ground for transfer have been laid down by courts. They are balance of convenience or inconvenience to the plaintiff or the defendant or witnesses, convenience or inconvenience of a particular place of trial having regard to the nature of evidence on the points involved in the suit, issues raised by the parties, reasonable apprehension in the mind of the litigant that he might not get justice in the court in which the suit is pending, important questions of law involved, or a considerable section of public interested in the litigation, interest of justice demanding for transfer of suit, appeal or other proceeding, etc. Above are some of the instances which are germane in considering the question of transfer of a suit, appeal or other proceedings. They are, however, illustrative in nature and by no means to be treated as exhaustive. If on the above or other relevant consideration this court feels that the plaintiff or the defendant is not likely to have a fair trial in the court from which he seeks to transfer a case, it is not only the power but the duty of the court to make such order. Section 25 of the code itself makes it clear that if any application is made for transfer after notice to the parties, if the court is satisfied that an order of transfer is expedient for the ends of justice, necessary direction may be issued for transfer of any suit, appeal or other proceedings from a high court or other civil court in one state to another high court or other civil court in any other state. In order to maintain fair trial, this court can exercise this power and transfer the proceedings to an appropriate court. The mere convenience of the parties may not be enough for the exercise of power, but it must also be shown that trial in the chosen forum will result in denial of justice. Further illustration are balance of convenience or inconvenience to the plaintiff or the defendant or witnesses and reasonable apprehension in the mind of the litigant that he might not get justice in the court in which suit is pending. The above mentioned instances are only illustrative in nature. In the interest of justice and the adherence of fair trial, this court exercise its discretion and order transfer in a suit or appeal or other proceedings. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.